Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 6, today I am going to take your English second paper class. And now today's topic is articles. And today we will discuss about A and N. That means we will know the uses of A and N. Okay, let's start our class today. And you all know that there are two types of articles, right? And what are they? They are indefinite article and definite article, right? And now look, definite article is the and indefinite article are A or N, and A and N are called indefinite articles because they refer to indefinite person or thing or animals. We all know about it, and we use A or N before singular countable nouns, right? Yes, we all know about it. So indefinite articles indicates it refers to indefinite person or things or animals, and we use it before singular countable nouns. And now look, the definite article. Definite article is the. That means the word the is called the definite article, and we use this definite article to refer a particular person or a thing. That's why it is called definite article, and we can use this definite article before both singular and plural noun. And today we will know the uses of A and N. So there are some common rules. We all know about it. We have learned it in class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also, and today we will have a review. Now look, number 1, A is usually used before a word beginning with a consonant, and N is used before words beginning with a vowel. And what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. We all know about it. So we use A before the consonant sounds, and we use N before the vowel sounds. Now look at these examples. A hen. So H is the consonant sounds, and egg, E is the vowel sound. That's why we use N. And now look, now we will go to number 2. If H in the first letter of a word is pronounced, A is used before that word, and if H remains silent, N is used instead. So if we pronounce H, if the first letter of a word is pronounced, if the H is pronounced, we use A, and if H remains silent, we use N. Now look at these examples. A horse, now here H is pronounced. An honest man, here H remains silent, so use N. Now we will go to the next rule, number 3. A is used before a word that begins with a vowel or vowels which are pronounced like U. Now look, if the sounds, if you find the sounds like U, you will use A instead of N, though E is vowel. Now look at these examples: a U, university, European. Now look, they pronounce like U. There is the sounds like U. That's why we will use A instead of using N, though they are vowel. Now look at these words: E, U, E. Those are vowels, right? We all know about it, and we know that we use N before the vowel sound, but if the vowels if the vowels pronounced like U, we will use A instead of N. Now we will go to the next rule, number 4. Generally, words beginning with O take N before them because O is the vowel sound. And however, A is used before words that begin with 1. But if the if the word is 1, we will use A instead of N. Now look at this example, an orange, a 1 taka note. Now look, an orange and a 1 taka note. Now look, here we use the general rule, that means O is the vowel sound, O is the vowel letter, that's why you use N. But here we find 1. If you find the sound like wa, we will use A instead of N. Now we will go to number 5. N is used before abbreviations and individual letters pronounced like a vowel sound. Examples, an MA and FRCS. Now look at MA, M, F, there are vowel sounds, okay, at MA, FRCS. So we find the vowel sounds, and that's why we will use N in front of those abbreviation. But if you find the consonant sounds, we will use A. Now look, however, A is used instead if the first letter of abbreviation sounds like a consonant. Examples are BA, BSc. So remember these examples. If it sound, if the abbreviations, if the first letter of the abbreviation sounds like a consonant, we will use A, and if the abbreviations of the first letter, pronounced like or sounds like a vowel sound, we will use N in front of it. So these are the common rules, the general rules of A A and N. That means these are the uses of A and N. And in our next class, we will know about the uses of the. Now look, my dear students, there is a homework. This is homework number 4, and you will do it in your HW copy. And don't forget to mention the homework number. This is homework number 4. Homework number 4, and all of you will mention the date also, and the topic articles. And what is the instruction? Fill in the blanks of the following sentences with appropriate articles like A or N. We will not use the here. Now look, number A, he reads dash book. Number B, he is dash LLB. Number C, this is dash unique case. Number D, he spent dash hour with us. Number E, here is dash umbrella. Number F, I do not like dash lazy man. Number G, Mr. Rahman is dash BA. Number 8, she gave me dash input. So there are 8 sentences, and you will fill up those blanks using A or N. That means you will find out the appropriate answer and appropriate articles. So dear students, these are the uses of A or N, and in our next class we will know about the uses of the. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. Dear students, all of you will submit your homework in your HW copy, and you will submit it on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM in the school library. So dear students, all of you will do your homework and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.